Hey there, looking to expand your business into new marketplaces without the headache of starting from scratch? With Vela's Activate Channels feature, you can launch your shop on new platforms, all from one place. You can currently launch on Etsy, Shopify, eBay, or Faire, and we have several more channels to come. First, click the Add Shop button in the bottom left corner. Then choose the channel you want to expand to and select which of your existing shops you'd like to copy from. Today, we're going to expand to Shopify and copy from our current Etsy inventory. You can choose between AI copy and standard copy. AI copy automatically adapts your existing listings for the new platform. Prefer a simple duplication? Go with standard copy. We'll choose AI copy to launch confidently on Shopify today. Here we see all our listings with titles, descriptions, and other SEO data already optimized for Shopify. Once your new shop is created, you'll have unlimited time to refine your listings in Vela, with no subscription cost until you activate the shop on the new platform. Let's click into a listing. We can now switch between channels using the tabs at the top, and edits made in one shop won't affect the others. That means we can tailor prices, images, and descriptions to fit each platform's audience. When everything looks perfect, we'll click Activate to start the setup process within Shopify, creating an account and choosing a plan based on our goals. Then, back in Vela, simply click Connect Shop to authorize access between Vela and your new shop. Once your shop is connected, you'll see a banner showing your 7-day free trial. During this time, you'll have full access to manage and publish listings for that shop. When the trial ends, you can easily upgrade to continue using Vela and keep your shop active. These listings are ready to publish. Just like that, our Shopify shop is ready for its debut. With just a few clicks, you can take your products from one marketplace to many, with content that's already optimized to perform. That's how Activate Channels helps you grow faster, sell smarter, and keep every shop connected in one powerful workspace.